Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Ascend keyboard case for iPad 4, 5, and the 11-inch Pro model. This is from a company called ESR. ESR makes awesome accessories for Apple products, including iPads and iPhones. And this is the Ascend keyboard case for the iPad. I'm going to be using it with an iPad Pro 11-inch. So let's open this up and take a look. As always, their packaging is top-notch, just very premium packaging. And you open this up, you've got this nice visual to show you how you can use the case with the iPad in vertical mode, not just horizontal mode. Open this up and you can see the case there, but look, you got a nice instructions on how you set it up. You can get different angles with the back. The iPad goes into the case. It is a magnetic case that sticks to the keyboard back magnetically. This is a Bluetooth keyboard. You've got your information there on how you turn it on by holding for 3 seconds. Go into settings and connect. And you can see right here, you've got an indicator that this is going to house your USB cord. So let's take a quick look at that, just to see what type of USB it is. And of course, it's USB-C, because ESR wouldn't have it any other way. They're always on top of things. So it charges with the standard USB-C, which is great. And they include the nice cord for you in case you don't have one handy already. And this is the case. You do, of course, get a full instruction manual to help you figure out how to use it if you need help with that. Explains all the commands and all that good stuff, and all the different languages. So you've got that. And let's get the case itself out of the bag here so we can take a closer look at it. This is the black version, and you can see you've got this nice magnetic latch there. So you open that up, and here you go. Now this is a keyboard case with a full mouse pad. You can see you've got your mouse pad there. You've got keyboard. These are nice click keyboards. I like the feel of it. It looks like it's a good size, small enough to be appropriate, but big enough to not. Some keyboards are so tiny you can't actually type with them. But this looks like it's going to be a nice size. I like the way the keys feel. So that's great. And yeah, here's the iPad case, and you can see it just comes right out. It's magnetic on the back, so once you put this on your iPad, you can take your iPad out of this and just have it's protected. You've got protection on the corners, protections all around, and then when you want to use it with a case, it just goes right in there, and it is magnetic, so it sticks right in there. And you can see on this, you've got, oh, that's great. That's a great hinge. I didn't know it had that kind of hinge in it. So because it's hinged, that's what allows you to put it at any level. You know, there are some cases that kind of just bend, and they say they'll go at any level, but they won't stay at a level because nothing's holding them at that level. But this is being held by this hinge. So whatever level you put it at, or whatever angle, I should say, not level, but angle you put it at, it's going to stay at that angle because it's a hinge in there that's holding at that angle. So whether that's a really steep angle, or you want it more straight up, or you want a more relaxed, laid back angle, any angle you put it at, it's a nice smooth hinge, and it'll stay there. And that's great because you can, you know, have your keyboard at that angle, and then have your, and because this is magnetic, when I'm putting it in there, there's like this magnetic that's holding it in place so that it stays in place. It doesn't move around. So that's really awesome, and it works both horizontal and vertical to keep it in place for you. So yeah, that's really awesome. It's going to be great. I can't wait to get this on my iPad. But yeah, that's what comes in the box. You get of course your charging cord, and then this really amazing keyboard case that also has the removable cover so that you can take your iPad out and just use it as an iPad without the keyboard, or throw it in there and use it with the keyboard. So really awesome product, and yeah, that's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite my playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them down below, but I will be doing a follow-up full review video, so a lot of those questions will be answered then. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.